Hey, Micro Map here, doing just a regular video for the subscribers to hear the longer videos instead of the shorts. Try and stay balanced with both. Here are the futures: 10-year 373. Rates haven't gotten to 4%. I don't think inflation is letting up, even though the data has said that inflation is coming down. I still think the Fed has a lot more work to do. Dollars hanging around 102.50. I think we'll eventually see lows as our country continues to run deficits and we continue to print and bail out banks and bail out corporations, etc. You know where I'm going with this. Foreign currencies mixed. I guess the best real money, you know where I stand with that, is gold and silver. Bitcoin is getting a big bump up. I think it should be uh, 3 to 5% of your portfolio. It looks like it's approaching 30K. On a lot of news, that a lot of um, news here saying that these not hedge funds. Let me see here. Yeah, I guess hedge funds or ETFs. ETFs is what I meant to say. Are trying to get into Bitcoin Rise has more financial incumbents signal commitment to crypto. That's one of the reasons. There was another article. I forgot who it was. All these articles nowadays are pro, and you can't even read them. You have to become a member. It's crazy. I forgot there was another big bank. I think it was BlackRock that was trying to come out with an ETF on on the cryptos, and that made BITO. I own BITO and ETHE. So crypto's catching a bid. Um, let's see if there's some news here. Financial institution continue to give their blessings for Bitcoin. Um, See, yeah, BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, filed for application will that will be the first ever spot Bitcoin ETF. So that's pretty cool. Um, and it's approaching 30K. Like I said, I think 3 to 5% of your portfolio makes sense, and I would stick with the 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 gold and silver of digital assets, which would be Bitcoin and Ethereum. Either you could buy these two here, the first top two coins. Now, I wouldn't buy them on Coinbase. I wouldn't buy them here or in any other exchange. I personally would open an account with Tasty Trade, and you can buy them here. Uh, Watch list. Let's see here. No space. Close. Watch list. We're gonna go to cryptos, and you can trade cryptos in this account. I don't know why they don't have all the cryptos here. They have a lot more coins than this, that's for sure. I don't know why it's not putting them all here. I know they have a lot more. They have like 30 coins. And I would do it that way because you can still trade options and you can still buy stocks. So that is the way to go. And you know they're not gonna lock you out. And you always have access to your uh, to your cryptos. Where is I wanted to show you the cryptos that they have. Um, this is pricing, trading products. Don't know why it don't say tasty. Oh, tasty trade, tasty trade. Let's see, crypto. They actually have available coins to trade. I actually think they have a wallet. I'm not sure. So they have also. It looks like they've cut down on their list. It looks like they cut down. They had more. Interesting. So they cut down. So they have Cardano, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana. They used to have a lot more. I tried to click on the PDF. Hmm. I need to look more into this. I personally own it through Bido. I own Bido for, and it's up $1 today, and ETHE. And I have some allocation in there. That was up 16% today. So enough of the crypto. They're doing very well. 3 to 5% is fine. I prefer gold and silver. Gold is at 1950, and silver is hanging around $23. Yeah, $23. Mm-hmm. So you can go that route with precious metals. You can get the physical stuff, or you can go GODSOV. Um, Guys, I did a quick couple YouTube shorts on the VIX and on the crypto and stuff like that. The VIX is under 15 at 13.88, I think it was. Very complacent here. There's not much to do. I can't really do a lot of trading videos. Uh, I I just don't trade with the VIX at 13.88. I think, in my opinion, the market's way too complacent. Um, And I think the NASDAQ is overvalued. And I have a couple shorts in there, which I've been taking pain, but I eventually will be right. I continue to roll stuff for credits. Um, and that's where I stand. I think the dollar will eventually roll over and weaken. I think you need to have a foreign exposure. I've been really, 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 really hitting it hard with the this one. This is a 1 year chart. This is international Fidelity Diversified International K6 fund. I have it through my 401k, and I'm just working as hard as possible so I can max this bad boy out this year in my 401k Roth, which I think allows you 22,500, and I try and calculate accumulate as many units as possible of this bad boy. I'm going all in on international. Um, International, then I have my precious metals, and then I have a lot of energy stocks between the XOP ETF, XOP, and XOLE. And then I had the bid on Ethereum. Don't get me wrong, I want to be in the NASDAQ and US stocks, um, but I think they've run up too much, and I don't want to be holding the bag on those. I'd rather wait. And they're overvalued. And you should buy them when they sell off, not when they're up here. Um, so back to the ETFs, not the ETFs, the future. Sorry, um, copper's trying to regain 4, and there was some good housing data, so that's gonna help copper with the housing data. Natural gas 250, Nikkei up 360. Palladium and platinum have been very range bound. It would be actually wise to pick up either or on a physical coin, in my opinion. Um, and they're rarer than the other ones, and the premiums might be a lot more. I talked about the VIX. Now there's some life coming into the grains. I really don't. I haven't been messing with the futures or options in the futures. I've been just trying to buy John Deere and Mosaic as my ag plays. And you guys know that I feel about interest rates going higher. That's the way I look at treasuries. And that's pretty much it on the futures. So in FinViz, just I'm just staying the course until I see a shift. So when the stampede comes, I know I'll be positioned correctly, and it is very very boring market, completely boring market. If you see me doing videos on the American League and National League standings, it's very very boring market. And well, there's no sports right now, and I really like baseball. I grew up playing baseball. For those that you know me, see if I get out to the stadium here in a couple weeks, shortly here. And we do have a beautiful stadium here in Miami. It doesn't get full, but it's a very beautiful stadium. Great place to watch a game. So this is the stock futures. Well, no, the future products for year to date. And as you can see, the Nasdaq's up 38%, orange juice 31%, Nikkei 30, sugar 30, feeder 25, cocoa 23, and so on. Probably the worst index is probably the Russell up 6 and Dow Jones up 3 on the year. So natural gas biggest loser 44, VIX 28. And usually these things revert to the mean. I was talking about palladium and platinum, big losers as well. And a lot of the commodities, like the grains as well, pretty down here as well. So they're on sale, folks. I wouldn't be a buyer of this huge Nasdaq run, or even the S&P, which a lot of the Nasdaq, Apple and Meta and Amazon and the Googles make up a huge percentage of the S&P. So there's a big overlap between the S&P and the Nasdaq. So yeah. So after I tap out that FKIDX, I'll probably head into maybe looking for down days and maybe pick up some IWM for the small cap and maybe some DIA for the Dow Jones Industrial Average in my so once you max out your 401k, which I prefer the Roth, you can put how much? I think it's 6 grand. Can you put in Roth IRA per year? 6,500. 2023 6,500 or 70 if you're over. So 6,500, you can max out your Roth IRA, and I'll probably start doing that with IWM or DIA. If the Nasdaq sells off, then I'll start adding some Qs, but not at this point of the game right now. I'm staying the course, staying patient, and diversifying in those areas that I've mentioned in the video. Anyways, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.